How to fill a commercial invoice for ocean exports. Enter your invoice number in the invoice number field provided. Next, enter the date in the date, month, and year format on which the invoice was made. You can fetch the FBA ID and Amazon reference number details from the Amazon Seller Central portal under Confirmed Shipment Details. IEC number must be filled from the Importer-Exporter Code certificate, which can be gotten by registering on the DGFT portal. Check description for link to the same. The AD code details must be filled from the AD code letter that you receive from your respective bank. Next, fill in your GST details from your GST registration certificate. Mention the country of origin as India and country of final destination as United States. Next, mention the mode of shipment as ocean. Since we sail out our cargo from Nhava Sheva, mention the same in port of loading. The port of discharge must be New York, and the final destination will be USA or a more specific location if applicable. Now check and enter the shipment term and payment term details accordingly. This is an optional field. If the shipment term and payment term is not applicable to you and you are not aware of this, kindly leave it blank. In this case, the shipment term is DDP. Next, in the exporter section, enter your address and in the consigning section, fill in the Amazon address. Next, fill in the correct HSN code based on your product. The HDS code is an optional field. This will be filled by our imports team based on your HSN code and product description. We will ask for your approval on the same before moving to import clearance. Next, in the marks and numbers field, mention the box numbers corresponding to your product. For example, if box 1 contains toys, mention 1 to 1 along with the product description. This field should contain a description of the goods being shipped. The rate shall be USD or INR. This is the unit price of each item in the shipment expressed in US dollar or Indian rupee. Next, mention the total number of boxes. The quantity field is the number of units of each product being shipped. Total product value is calculated by multiplying the rate per item by the quantity of items. Fill all the details here accordingly. FOB would be a sum of the total product value mentioned. The freight and insurance fields are optional. If there is freight and insurance, it should be inclusive of the total product value and gross total and should reflect on per unit value. If you want to get your cargo insured before sailing, kindly reach out to us. Our exports team will guide you. Next, enter the gross total and mention the same in words. Enter the net weight and gross weight of your shipment. Note, the gross weight should always be higher than the net weight. Next, enter your bank details, that is bank name, IFSC code, bank account number and the SWIFT code. Finally, make sure to add the signature and seal. Hope this video helped. If you still have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us. Happy shipping!